Good morning for everyone. My name is Jamil Basha. I completed my B.Com. After completion of my B.Com, I was searching for a job, but I was not getting a relevant job. One day I applied on Naukri Evision Technoserve and I got a call from Deepthi ma'am. She explained me about Evision. By listening her word, why I joined in Evision and I learned topics like networking, CCNA, cyber security, ITIL, ADDS like that. After learning that topic and they guided me to how to crack an interview also. After that, I got offers from multiple multinational companies. That is like TCS, Infosys, and Microland like that. And with a package of 3.6 LPA, and it is a very good opportunity with you to share that Evision is a good platform to learn within a quick way and to get a job within short period. So thank you for Evision giving me opportunity.